Hi, so I will be talking about packaging and shipping. So you do want to know, you do want to purchase your shipping before activating your listing because you need to know the weight of your product, which includes the listing and the dimension in order to know how much you will be charging your customer for shipping. And here are some common options. So boxes, they're great for 3D work such as ceramic work and bubble miller. They're great for phone cases, books, or small keychains. And chipboard miller, they're excellent for stickers, postcards, really anything thin but not bendable. And next we have envelopes. So envelopes are great for stickers, anything thin, but you are not worried about bending it would be great to ship with envelopes. And last we have polymers, and these are great for clothing or fiberworks. Next, please. Other things to think about including are thank you cards, custom stickers or for your packaging, and also business cards. Some people even include like a handwritten note on the thank you card just to let customer know how much their support is appreciated. Next, please. Next, we have shipping company options. So the easiest way to ship is just through Etsy. It is really easy to use because Etsy automatically calculates the shipping price for you, and they will adjust the shipping rates for your customers automatically based on their location. So you don't have to do that yourself. Etsy will do that for you. And other companies available are like FedEx, UPS, and Canada Post. They give small business shipping discount. So you can also choose to start a business account with some. Especially if you're shipping a lot, because the more you ship, the more discount they will give you. I included some links beside them if you're curious to see their business shipping rates. And using Canada Post as an example, so if you open a business account with Canada Post, they will give you a business shipping card, which you can use at the postal office as a discount card. And you can also choose to print your labels online with SnapShip and drop your shipment at a postal office close to you, so you don't have to line up. And another great company is ChitChat. So they have really low shipping rate if you're shipping to United States, but only if you're shipping to United States. If you're shipping within Canada or international, their fee is pretty much the same if you're as Canada Post. And the downside of this company is that they only have one branch in Calgary, and it's in the northeast. So if you live in somewhere in the northwest or in the like other parts of Calgary, it might be far for you to get access to this branch. And I also included a link here if you want to get an estimated price with this company. And there is also an optional fee that you can charge your customer, which is the handling fee. And this will be added on top of your shipping fee, which means your customers will not see this in a separate category. And this is just basically your packaging, like the cost of your packaging. Next, please. And last, we have shipping options. So you can choose to ship tracked with shipping labels, untracked using stamps, or just using prepaid mail. So shipping labels are most commonly used, and there is the tracking number that comes along with the purchase of shipping labels. And stamps are a great way to ship thin work because the rates are really low, and they are available for purchase alone or in multiples. And the number of stamps that you will need per package is determined by your package weight. The maximum size that you can ship with stamps are, like with Canada Post, is 14.9 inch by 10.6 inch by 0.8 inch. So anything bigger or thicker than that, you will have to purchase a shipping label or use prepaid mail. A great tip is that you can cut out the dimension from a cardboard, and anything that can fit through that cardboard, you will be able to ship without a shipping label and only with a stamp. And also, it is important to let your customer know that their package is not being tracked. So they're not going to get a tracking number in the item description if you do decide to ship with stamps. And it will be also a great idea to give them an option to upgrade their shipping. So if they want a tracking number with their shipping, or if they want like faster shipping, it's great to give them that option so that they can choose from if they're willing to pay more. And yeah, next slide, please.